Have you ever been worried about clogged arteries, high cholesterol, or the risk of a heart attack? Are your lipid profile reports showing raised LDL levels and elevated triglycerides? Do you feel breathlessness, tired easily, or sometimes experience chest tightness even after mild exertion? If yes, then your arteries might already be facing the problem of plaque buildup, which can silently lead to heart disease, stroke, or even sudden cardiac arrest. But here's the good news. Nature has given us powerful foods and drinks that can help cleanse your arteries naturally, reduce bad cholesterol, and improve good blood flow. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I welcome you to our channel where we discuss the most scientific and natural ways to heal your body, covering topics on heart health, nutrition, homeopathy, yoga, and holistic living. In today's video, I am going to share the top 3 super drinks that can help unclog your arteries, lower LDL cholesterol, boost HDL, and protect your heart naturally, effectively, and safely. So let's begin. Drink number 1, the carrot, beet, apple, ginger juice. You might already know about this vibrant red-orange drink. It's combination of carrot, beetroot, apple, ginger, and orange, and it's one of the most powerful heart healthy drinks ever. Let's understand why this is magical combination for your arteries. See, beetroot is packed with nitrates that convert into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen the blood vessels, improving blood circulation and reducing the strain on the arteries. It also prevents LDL from sticking to the artery walls, a major cause of plaque buildup. Now let's know the magical properties of carrots. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, fiber, and potassium, which help in reducing cholesterol absorption from food, managing blood pressure, and protecting against oxidative stress that damages arterial walls. The next is oranges. They are loaded with vitamin C and hesperidin, a flavonoid that helps reduce inflammation inside arteries, improves blood flow, and lower both LDL and triglycerides naturally. Apple contains pectin, a soluble fiber that binds with cholesterol and removes it from the body before it clogs arteries. On the other hand, ginger contains gingerol, a compound that helps reduce inflammation, prevent platelet clumping, and protect arteries from narrowing. Now, let's know how to prepare this heart healthy drink. Take 1 medium sized beetroot, 2 medium carrots, 1 orange, half apple, and 1 small piece of ginger. Peel and chop all the ingredients, put them in a blender and add a cup of water. Blend well, strain it, and drink this juice on an empty stomach every morning. You can also add a pinch of black pepper or lemon juice for enhanced absorption and taste. Drink this daily for at least 21 days and you will start noticing improved energy, lower cholesterol levels, and better circulation. Drink number 2. The green artery detox smoothie. When it comes to unclogging arteries, green vegetables and antioxidant rich fruits are your best friends. This smoothie is made with spinach, kiwi, avocado, flax seeds, and it works wonders for cleansing the artery and reducing inflammation. Let's break it down. See, spinach is rich in nitrates, magnesium, and folate, which helps relax arteries and prevent plaque buildup. It's also a great source of vitamin K, essential for preventing calcium deposits in the arteries. Now, the next ingredient is kiwi. It contains actinidin enzyme and vitamin C, which help reduce LDL cholesterol, prevent oxidation of fats in the blood, and improve HDL levels. Avocado is loaded with monosaturated fats and potassium that support heart health. It helps in lowering bad cholesterol while increasing good cholesterol. Avocado also provides glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that detoxifies the arteries. Another thing is flax seeds. They contain alpha-linoleic acid, ALA, which is a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid which help reduce arterial inflammation, prevent clot formation, and support smooth blood flow. Now let's know how to prepare it. Take 1 cup spinach leaves, 1 kiwi peeled, half avocado, 1 tablespoon overnight soaked flax seeds and 1 cup coconut water or plain water. Blend everything until smooth. You can chill it slightly before drinking. This smoothie not only supports artery health but also boosts immunity, skin glow and digestion. Drink it 3 to 4 times a week in the morning or as a midday snack. Drink number 3. Lemon garlic honey water. Now the last and the third heart healthy drink is lemon garlic honey water. This simple yet powerful traditional drink is one of the most effective home remedies to melt away arterial plaque and improve blood circulation. It has been used for centuries in natural medicine system to detoxify liver, clean blood vessels and strengthen the heart. See, lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid which help prevent oxidation of LDL cholesterol, flush out toxins and reduce triglycerides and fat buildup in the arteries. Garlic is perhaps the most powerful natural ingredient for heart health. It contains allicin, a sulfur compound that reduces cholesterol production in the liver and helps dissolve fatty deposits along the arterial wall. Now let's know the recipe. You need to take 3 to 4 cloves of raw crushed garlic, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of raw honey and 1 glass of lukewarm water. Mix all ingredients and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. If you find raw garlic too strong, you can boil the mixture slightly for 2 to 3 minutes. Cool it and then add honey. Continue this for 4 to 6 weeks and you will feel a noticeable difference in your blood pressure, cholesterol levels and energy. Alright, so I have shared 3 magical drinks for your heart health that will help unclog your arteries. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Heart Health Care Global YouTube channel for more health related content. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay happy. Namaste.